What is going on YouTube? I hate back making another brand new Crypto TV episode. I don't know if you can tell, and hopefully you have though. We've been exploding on Bitcoin's 4-hour charts on one of the easiest freaking trades that we were able to make over the past couple of hours. I mean, it doesn't get any more beginner basic friendly as this. I don't know how else to explain how simple and how easy this trade was. We have been tracking it for days now, if not hours, days. And we can go back here. It started actually February 14th. So yes, days on Bitcoin here, like 2 weeks of consolidation forming on Bitcoin's 4-hour and daily charts. You can see we've outlined it day after day after day after day on Bitcoin here. You can see making videos 4 to 5 days ago showing the sideways channel right here. You can see yesterday and the day before sideways channels, as we specifically said, and these were the easiest trades to capitalize on, and you could still get in and get out on this cryptocurrency. It is still pumping to the upside here. This was the most textbook easy trade to capitalize on. And for example, I actually recorded a quick video because I was like, hey, I was playing around with the markets here. I wanted to show you guys the new feature on BidFi, which allows you to finally move your stop losses up and pretty much just keep locking in profit. You don't want to get too greedy. Simply put, though, this trade could have easily made you several hundreds of dollars here, but I want to show you a quick one. Ideally, this market pumped us up about 10% so far, but even just on a small little rally to the upside with the leverage that I was using, just with like $100, we made over 30 or 25 to $30 on $100, which is literally a 30% rally. Extremely easy, extremely simple to lock in profits. You can see on this trade that we had, I pretty much opened this up just a couple of days or just yesterday playing around with it, and I was like, let me record this and show you guys how simple the stop loss movement to the upside trading feature is. So we're going to talk about this later on in today's video, but we're also going to be looking at these other cryptos: Solana, XRP, Ethereum, so on and so forth here. Specifically focused, I want to talk about XRP as well, because I don't think we're going to head up higher. If we do, we're going to be buying in. If we don't, there's a good chance we could have another short opportunity here as we are retesting some major price ceilings and some major resistances at large. So the goal, ideally, is that we start to correct to the downside here. What I'm expecting is a correction and a dip to the downside. So it's really just a matter of time before we get those results here. So I'm very excited to go over everything with you. So with that being said, definitely make sure to smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and let's jump right into today's episode. So guys, super quick, besides showing you the trades that we're going to do on BidFi here, I just want to let you guys know that BidFi is still doing their $100 free cryptocurrency giveaway here. All you got to do is complete your first deposit and trade, and you'll literally get $100 deposited in your account, which you can do whatever you want with, leverage trades, so on and so forth here, and then withdraw the bonus, the money you make off the bonus, which is super cool. So the link is in the description down below, as well as by scanning this QR code you can see on the screen. If you're on your laptop or on your phone or whatever it is, you can scan that screenshot, whatever it is, and you can open this up and sign up ASAP. Now, moving forward into today's episode here, we've been tracking, like I said, lots of consolidation consistently on the markets here. And this was probably the easiest cryptocurrency to buy into, which is why I don't want to spend too much time focused on XRP, because I think Bitcoin's the easiest one to talk about here. You can see markets currently are up 8.5%. Back at 76 on the Fear and Greed Index. Bitcoin's at 10%. Ethereum's at 6%. You can see XRP is at 5%, and we're just pumping and pumping and pumping. Every cryptocurrency is yet again up double digits. What's nearing us? Well, as you guys know, February is typically a statistical bullish month here, as well as we are nearing the halving, and the markets tend to swing up to the upside as we get closer and closer to the halving. But if I type in Bitcoin historical month, or Bitcoin monthly historical, or Bitcoin monthly returns, that should be enough. Here we go. You can see typically what the month is currently. We're currently up 33% for Bitcoin right now in cryptocurrency, which is absolutely incredible. Statistically, February is an extremely bullish month, which we're having shown right now, as you guys can see. So it's by no surprise that this month is exploding. It's just consistently exploding. We've also been been tracking and knowing that this kind of flatline movement on cryptos typically results in either a break to the upside or a break to the downside here. Same thing happened right on Bitcoin, explosion to the upside here. I saw one on Uniswap starting to consolidate, but every crypto is exploding to the upside and everything is up double digits, if not even more, which is absolutely incredible. And I'm very excited to go over and discuss everything. So today's video is mostly going to be focused on Bitcoin and these other trades here, and then we'll talk about XRP in a minute, so just bear with me here. But this trade was literally textbook. I don't know how else to explain it. I've said video day after day. We have a price ceiling. We have a price floor. We have a beautiful sideways channel forming here, and the buy-in opportunity for Bitcoin would be a confirmation closure above major resistance here. If we close the 4-hour charts above the price ceiling, which we haven't done since February 14th, then that would be the opportunity to buy in. And as we've consolidated, moving average has pushed up, consolidation has lowered ourselves. You can see we were overbought at 78 February 15th. Now we are trading at 45 February 26th. Everything has pretty much allowed the markets to consolidate down, build up steam, allow the moving average to catch up, and boom, we exploded. That opportunity to buy in was once we closed a 4-hour right here, buy in right here, and then slowly, as I say, move stop loss up, move stop loss up, move stop loss up, move stop loss up. You can see if you bought in here, we explode up, confirm closure here, you set the stop loss a little bit lower, and then here we go, pumping higher, and you set the stop loss a little bit lower. Here we are currently trading up to here. Well, you set the stop loss a little bit lower. Lock in those profits in case markets decide to reverse. Now, how do we guarantee those profits? How do we lock them in? That's what I want to talk about. So because this was a statistical, historical, easy textbook buy-in once we confirm closure, I want to show you how we take advantage of that. So here you go. I recorded a video showing you guys how easy it is to lock in. Now, 33% profits is nuts. That's literally more than the stock market moves in 3 years. Historically, averages 10%. This is a 33% gain on a trade. How do you do that? Well, look, you can see right here, I'm showing you guys, I bought in right at around, or I'm currently up 33%. And as I move forward, you can see this is how you can enter your take profits and stop losses. So what I did, my entry point was $53,420, but I moved my stop loss up higher than my entry point, which BidFi didn't always let us do. Originally, BidFi could only let you move a stop loss below your entry point. Well, now we can move it up and literally lock in guaranteed gains. So as you guys can see, with us moving it up to 54,250 when we bought in at 54,300, it locks us in. When last price reaches 54,250, the current order will close at market price. Estimated profit would be $23, a return on investment of 30%. And you can see you can constantly move this. So look, I moved it down from 54,250 down to 54,200, and that locks in a 28.7% return. And yet again, remember, I bought in much lower. I bought in, as you guys can see, I'm showing you the last order price, 23%, 30% order. That's the buy-in. And you can see clear as day right here, the entry, average executed buy sell for the current long or short position. And you can see right here where this arrow is at 53,420 is where I bought in, and the stop loss is at 54,250. So that's how I guaranteed it. Look, that's the buy-in. That's where I currently bought the market at 53,420. And you can see I currently put the take profit at 54,250, locking in a 30% return on my investment. That's simple. And you can just keep scaling it up, keep moving it up. Yes, could you go higher? Yeah, but are you going to complain about a 30% lock-in on profit? I mean, I guess you could, because markets are probably up about 200% right now, but it is just the easiest trade that you can make. It's that simple. It's that easy. It's that quickest lock-in of profits here. Like I said, we made 26. Now, had we have been leveraging $1,000 instead of 100, it would have been $260 of profit. If we were doing 10K off 1,000, which is just how you leverage the crypto, a 10X on 1,000 would be trading around with 10X. You could be using Like I said, that was 100 with a 26. 1,000 would be 260. 10,000 could be $2,600 off a single easy trade like that. And you can see how you can compound the money and capitalize off these gains. So definitely make sure to check out BidFi. Link is down in the description below. Sign up. Not only does BidFi have a way for you to earn not only does BidFi have a way for you to get welcome rewards, they also have a demo trading account. So before you get, crazy with it, sign up with the link down in the description, get some free bonus money, and then use that bonus money to trade and take those profits and do what you want with them. It's risk-free because it's free bonus money and you can't withdraw it, so you might as well trade around with it. And it's all right here. You can claim all these free things, play around with it for free, and then you can even also test out the demo account, test out Bitcoin, test out Solana, test out XRP. It's that easy and it's that simple, and you can leverage it, trade around, take profit, stop loss, literally do everything that I just did on my real position here. You can do on the demo account. Test your skills, test your trades. Then when you're ready, you can obviously switch over to the live trading account. It doesn't get any easier than that. Now, for these other cryptocurrencies like Solana, which is kind of hitting a bit of resistance, Solana is pumping up because every other cryptocurrency in the market is pumping up. And money is just moving into it gradually. We haven't had enough proof yet to say, okay, we're going to break out right now. Because look, even on the way down, we still scaled out. And honestly, it looks like there's a good chance we could be at a double top and still crack lower here. As for XRP, same thing kind of applies itself here. XRP doesn't look like it has a potential to head up. I mean, it definitely does, but we're in a big resistance. So Bitcoin exploding to the upside, Ethereum continuing to pump higher. It's extremely overbought on both, which is another reason. If we jump to the daily, you can see we're overbought. It's another reason why I would suspect to see markets kind of dip lower here. But same thing goes with XRP. We haven't had enough reason to buy in just yet. We're waiting for it to conservatively kind of close outside of this downtrend here. We're kind of trading currently above here, but it's not enough for me to buy in just yet. I'm a little weary that we could, dump and reverse right back down into it. We're yet again retesting a major resistance here. So I truly wouldn't buy in until we close a daily candle above or in between these moving averages if you want to take a risk. But there's a chance we could pop off. We're waiting for this bull flag to break out. It's taking a bit longer than expected, but there is a chance we could buy in and long. It's just a matter of time before it does. So lots of interesting things right now. The main focus is on Bitcoin's parabolic explosion, but with that being said, smash that like button, turn on post notifications, subscribe, and I'll see you in tomorrow's video. Peace.